Good morning everyone and welcome to Bank Holiday Friday. We hardly ever say that, but today is a bank holiday, moved from Monday this week, and the reason we've moved it is because we're celebrating 75 years since World War II ended. At my assembly on Tuesday, my values assembly was all about Victory in Europe Day, and why that was an important day for the whole of Europe 75 years ago. And we've remembered that every single year since. But when it was 50 years old, which was 25 years ago, well done for working that out, some of you. And now that it's 75 years old, we have an extra special celebration. I know you're not in school anyway, but if it was a normal school week, you would have had today off. In my assembly, I spoke about Victory in Europe Day being a really happy day, especially for people in this country, because they celebrated the end of a very, very, very long war that wasn't just about the soldiers over in other countries. It was all about the families back here in England as well. I also talked about it being a bit of a sad time, because it was a chance for lots of families, millions of families, to remember all of those adults and children that lost their lives in the war. And today, and you'll all know about this from our Remembrance Days each year, we are still happy that these wars have finished, but we're still incredibly sad that they happened in the first place. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. I said this would be a short and sweet assembly. I'm now going to play you a very, very short video, only about 2 minutes long, and it's lots and lots of images. Some of them are black and white, and some of them I think have been turned into colour images, so it makes it a little bit more real for you. Now I'm going to show you lots of images from Victory in Europe Day 75 years ago. And just to give it a bit of party atmosphere, I've got two great musicians playing World War II songs while you watch. They're called Chaz and Dave. Your families, I'm sure, will know all about these two. They're a couple of Cockneys, a couple of Londoners who sing all kinds of songs, and they are going to celebrate VE Day with you by singing over the top of this video. You'll hear them sing at the start about it being 50 years ago. Ignore that bit. It's 75 years ago. Enjoy.
Hostilities will end officially at 1 minute after midnight tonight, Tuesday, the 8th of May. We may allow ourselves a brief period of rejoicing. Today is Victory in Europe Day. Long live the cause of freedom. God save the King.
50 years ago, there was joy across the nation. Everybody said, come on, let's have a celebration. At last the war is won, it's time to have some fun and sing the songs that help us win. So come on, let's all sing. We're gonna hang out the washing on the Siegfried line. Have you any dirty washing, mother dear? We're gonna hang out the washing on the Siegfried line, 'cause the washing day is here. The barricade, darling, I remember the way you used to wait. 'Twas there that you whispered tenderly that you love me, you'll always be my lily of the lamplight, my only Lily Marlene. Resting in a village just behind lips are close to mine. You wait where the lantern softly gleams. Your sweet face seems to haunt my dreams. My lily of the lamplight, my only lily, Marlene. Around at the Pharaoh, we let the Pharaoh la femme. Roll at the Pharaoh, we got the blues on the run. Sing boom tararo, let's have a song of good cheer. And now's the time to roll the barrel, 'cause the gang's all here. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Keep smiling through, just like you always do, till the blue skies drive the dark clouds far away. Oh, won't you please say hello to the folks that I know? Tell them I won't be long. They'll be happy to know that as you saw me go, I just sing this song. We'll meet again. Don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day.
Okay, I'm not sure what you're doing today, but I know that lots of people are going to think about and celebrate VE Day 75 years ago. Where I live, the neighbours around us, we've arranged to have a street party to celebrate VE Day. I'm just going to show you the invite there. So it says, join us for a celebration. We've got to do the social distancing thing, but we're going to take food, drink outside, have a bit of fun as families. And yeah, remember what happened all that time ago. Just before we go, I promised to get these in. Happy birthday, Ethan in year 5. What a great day to have a birthday. Happy birthday, Noyes in year 5. He'll know why I've done that. For Sunday, I think it is. I think it's Sunday. And also, happy birthday to Ollie in year 5 for the 5th of May. And also, I need to mention, your reading, Ollie, is going... Whew. Football Heroes books, great work. Megan in year 6, fantastic home learning, remote learning, especially with the BBC bite-sized stuff. So keep that going, please. Olivia in year 2, you're being a fantastic big sister to your almost brand new baby brother, Alan. What a great time to be a support to your family, especially in lockdown. And also Jessica in year 1, your maths has been fantastic. So please keep it going. Enjoy the day, everyone. I'll see you on Monday at 9 o'clock for a phone call with Mr. Smith. And then our Monday welcome at 10:30.